Guys? Is this how we get eliminated?
Yup.
Yikes. Where are the contestants? Well, I'm doomed. I guess I'm gonna sit here and I can't build my way to the lobby because I had an idea. I can make my own journey to my new home.
After building.
Home. Sweet. Home.
You sick 3. Okay, but no need to scream at me, idiot. This is my show, this is my show, this is my show.
Ha 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 ha.
Where could that flood be from? And why do I hear all that laughing? Holy shoot, dude. That was stupid. My F3 explode. R5. Why would you do that? Anyways, it's time for cake at stake. At stake. Hello everybody. Sut Brightsiders. Despite Bubble and abandon her and move to my side.
No.
Stop talking. Time for the cake at stake. I exist. Oh.
Okay, you suck, Bubble.
No more swearing. Get out of here too. You're not helping. Shut up. You're banned. No.
Bubble, we're back.
My worst enemy is being mean to me.
Never to be seen again. Now can we start the cake at stake? I feel like we should ruin 3's control and make this show 33 hosts and 1 contestant. So you two just talk in unison. Stop talking or I will bite you. Start the intro, guys. Wow. What an awesome intro you got there. Thank you, I made it in my spare time.
We got to do something to not get Bubble eliminated. Yeah, I know. I don't want Bubble to get eliminated. 3, can we join the team that Bubble is on?
Shut up about Bubble. I'm your bright side.
And I will hurt Bubble all the time. No.
Shut up, Bubble hater.
Why is everyone interrupting me?
You stop being mean to me, Bubble hater. Oh no, Pencil and Matt are brainwashed. Time to call Ruby. Ruby, attack Bubble hater.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, so abuser. Hello, I am New Fiery. You can't just take us here. Hey guys, you should join TPOT Roleplay in a nutshell. Okay.
Now, it's our chance to unbrainwash Match and Pencil.
THX for unbrainwashing us.
You're welcome. 3, can I switch to Bubble's team?
Sure. Hello, I am New Fiery. No, you're not. Yes, I am.
Yay, I'm with Bubble.
Look, guys, I'm having a very bad day.
I have returned.
Yay, Fat Ruby is here. Where am I?
Can I join as a contestant?
No. And me? No. I am confused.
Can I please?
Okay, Fat Ruby joins Team Play.
Stop asking me to join the show. We already have a lot of contestants. Maybe you guys should stop making 3 angry. Tell the votes already.
Well, at least I tried.
I'm trying, but these people are ignoring me. Stress ball. Thank you. Phew, thank you guys. Okay, start the Kaz intro. Lemu insult them with F3X. Let me in. Fury, can you go away? Hold on, let me see the votes. We got a lot of responses.
Let everybody co-host.
Hey guys, look 6. Let me join, and I'm on Team BLEH.
And you only one contestant.
Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Now to set up the mood, I set up a little musical for the cake at stake.
Yay, I'm unbanned.
We got a record of 4,444 votes.
Okay, Theory the King can join.
I'm screaming with sharp teeth.
So where's the cake?
And the cake gone. Slaw got 14 votes, so he's safe. But Remote is also safe with 198 votes. A 3-digit number. Here's your license plate. Don't you know? I can hack. So the prize today is a belly button. If you're safe, I will create you a belly button. GRR. Okay, that is it. Bubble is eliminated.
I'm so epic I could hack.
Okay.
No, Bubble is eliminated.
Oh no, I got eliminated.
Oh no, we're fat.
I should start to make new friends. Match and pencil are fat. Help.
Time for a roleplay. No more season.
But we have to do the season. Teams, we are going to a new world.
Wait, what?
He is unstoppable. Now he can't get unbanned. Okay, he's gone, that's good. Without the original hosts, this show sucks. What? Roblox sucks. What is going on? Can we also co-host? Sure. This may be a bad time, but can I join? I'll think about that. Well, when this show sucks, we will sit around like dumb fat goats. Shut up about goats. Not you again. I unstoppable. Yay, I'm back in the game, and oh no, 3 is in jail, otherwise, he deserves it. I will be.
Lol, you salty.
The contest is to defeat Yellow Fiery. The last team that doesn't defeat him loses. Go.
Bell, swing and smack Yellow Fairy.
Okay.
Foldy. My morph.
That's not on the list, guys. The actual contest is... Shut up. Him. The 12th contest is to find some Easter eggs. The last team to do so loses. Go. Move.
I'm back in tennis ball. Sorry for being mean.
It's okay. If anything, we need to find a way to defeat Fury.
Wardrobe, want to join our team?
Podemos ser mortos pelo oferi el controla todo para sempre. Can people obey the contest? I can. No. Shut up. Why? It was 6 Heroon Bad Dream Cat's show. It was just her all along. I didn't do it.
Now you can't blame me.
Fake story, man, you're ugly.
I am gonna steal all admin now.
Don't steal my design is the first safe. 6.
Now that I have all the admin, I will repeat the process like the old BFB RPIAN episodes. 1. Let's do the same thing Gady did. 2. Put these hosts in jail. 3. Rage and become a fat bully. 4. Is stupid. 5. Yet another idiot. 6. Make a new show.
No. Oh no. All hosts are banned. I guess I'm going to host now.
No.
Oh no, 6 is hacking. Time to send the oh wait, never mind. I'm just a dumb fat ugly idiot with no freaking life at all. Alright.
Team Blee is safe using the dumb fat ugly Flyatron they built just because they're dumb before the dumb contest even began.
They cheated.
Shut up.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
They cheated.
Look, did anyone ask?
No.
We still have 33 contestants left, and one will be getting out in the 12th.
Hey.
Shut up! And one contestant will be out in the 12th episode. By using the poll in the description, you must vote for one of the members of Team the Cool Boys.
Can I co-host?
Sure.
Wait, you said 2 can co-host?
I did.
I never said 2 can co-host. 4. Calm down. Why do I need to calm down? 2 is gonna ruin the show.
Can I co-host also? No. You idiot.
Can I co-host also?
Sure. Wait, no. No. You cannot co-host. Fine. Whatever. You and my twin sister can co-host as well. Yeah.
Can we do the challenge now? I just said the contest is to find Easter eggs as the 12th contest. From where? I can do that. Everywhere. This show is gonna be ruined. Found one. Here X. The cool boys are safe.
Don't scream, mate, you idiot.
Why are you being mean?
I hate Easter egg out of pin.
Let's go turn it in.
Here.
Don't steal my design, this is safe. My color.
Use an Easter egg tracker to find an egg and bring it to X. Why are you doing this to me?
'Cause we can ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
Stop crying, you fat.
Hey GB, I saved your team from elimination.
DHX.
Anytime. What do we do now? Go turn it in the bubble, haters. I hate haters and I hate cool people. I suck. Quit blobbering and return the egg to X. Easter eggs are not eggs. Tired of 3? Well, buy the killable 3 sprayer. Use it on 3 and it kills 3, so buy now. I wanted to make a brand, not yellow face. I don't even care if I'm under 18.
Shut up.
Team Blah is up for elimination. So that means the Team Blah is up for elimination.
Shut up.
So vote by using the comments. Oh wait,
Shut up and fix your grammar.
You mean words, not grammar. Idiot. Shut up. Anyways, you must vote for one of the members of Team Blah by using the poll in the description. So good luck. The contest for the next episode is to release me from this stupid ugly box.
Nope.
Bedtime, people. Okay. The bed looks ugly, but okay. Hushu. Whoa. Hey noob, wanna help me out? Nah.